KipwareQTE also includes the Assembly Estimating Module standard. Assembly allows users to create quotes and estimates for assemblies that contain multiple individual components. Users can create estimates for individual components using KipwareQTE. Then import those estimates into assembly and add on any other components like screws, nuts, assembly labor, or whatever, to create a quote and estimate for a full assembly. In this video, we will create an assembly estimate for the workpiece displayed on the screen. This assembly consists of two end plates with a connecting shaft. We previously created cost estimate for these components in the standard KipwareQTE module. We'll start by loading the previously created estimates for the end plates and the shaft. We'll load two end plates and one shaft. We can review to confirm we have loaded these individual components. Users can combine an unlimited number of individual components like these into the estimate. In addition to these components, we need to add some additional costs associated with the creation of this assembly. First, we'll add some labor costs that will be required to complete the assembly. Next, we'll add the outside service cost for painting the finished assembly. We have received a cost from our paint vendor, and we'll add that to the estimate. Performing a calculate cost routine, we can see the breakdown of costs and total cost and cost per assembly so far. This view is very detailed with complete breakdowns for review. With all the cost estimates complete, we are ready to create a quotation to send off to our client. As in KipwareQTE, we start with a base quantity. In this example, it was one assembly. But when creating the quotation, the user can define up to 6 quantities, with different discount factors and delivery schedules for each. Assembly will do all the cost calculations and amortizations, and create a formatted quote for all quantities defined. Assembly gives the user the ability to create a line item quotation, or a formatted assembly quotation. Output options are the same as within the main KipwareQTE module. Users can output a predefined formatted quote, either to a printer or through options to a PDF file. Other options include outputting to a CSV file for importing into Excel, or a text document for importing into MS Word. If you're tired of outdated spreadsheet or expensive, overbloated MRP and ERP software, KipwareQTE and the included assembly module will streamline your quoting and estimating, keep you from missing deadlines, and ensure the work you win is actually profitable work. Learn more about KipwareQTE and all the real-world Kipware machine shop and CNC applications at www.kipware.com.